Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the stream. I'm streaming after a long time. Let's go back quickly. I don't want to waste any time in mumbo jumbo bullshit stuff. Coming back to where I was previously saying that we are on this third wave, and the third wave looked like it's gonna complete soon. For all those people who weren't listening, to all those people that what the fuck is Elliott wave theory, I bet I'll be asking them when the gold price was over here, why the fuck you didn't buy? They never listen, and they will never even listen. So never try wasting your time explaining to these people, because retail traders are the fucking, well, they are pigs of the market. There is a saying that in trading, bull makes money, bear makes money, and pigs get slaughtered. These retail traders who are ignorant, who never open books, they don't even, they are not, what do you say, bear or bull, they are pigs. They just get slaughtered by the market. It is what it is, you like it or not. That's the terminology used. So if you don't know how to trade, it's better go to demo and work on your account. And take whatever the market gives you. Don't try to force the market. Need patience. If you force yourself into a trade, all you get do is get slaughtered. And a lot of people say, "Oh, why aren't you scalping in this range?" First of all, this is all-time high. If I'm selling all-time high, okay, I'm a fucking stupid. If it fucking breaks up, you know, eh, you'll get fucked up. And if you buy from the bottom, first of all, gold is in a sideways. I must say that when it came over here, I shorted, it went up. I slept, it went up. But I followed my plan, I follow my stop loss. I don't try to fight because I know I will make money again. Don't need to trade. There is no rushing. Even if you have a small account and you don't have patience, guess what? You're gonna blow up the account. Forex trading is slow momentum, okay? Once the account grows, you do whatever the hell you want with the account. But when the account is small, try to be patient. Anyway, silver, I've been following silver, I've been trading silver. And again, I'm saying that if you have 1,000 or $1,000 or $500 only, then think about trading. If you have something lower than that, it's really hard to trade. It's fucking hard. Okay? So, do whatever you want, but follow your trade plan. Anyways, coming back to what's moving the market, we saw that last week that we had a, what do you say, a buy momentum. We bought at the bottom. Okay, we bought around here. All the guys who were watching me during the stream, we bought over here. Okay, this was last week Thursday when CPI and unemployment came out. So it was a dump and a pump. So I had my buy orders running over here. Even my buys were here. Plus my buy orders got triggered. My stop loss was 2603, but at the last time I changed it at 2600. I just got lucky and almost hit my stop loss, but it didn't. Thanks God, and it went up. But I had a backup. I wasn't like leave things on faith. I had buy limit orders from here, so they got triggered. Even you should have a backup plan. Anyways, long story short, it went up, and as I said that I was waiting for the third impulse wave. Third wave is 90% complete. Just I'm waiting for it to break above 2700. Then after that, I'm waiting for the fourth impulse wave. Then after the fourth, it's gonna go above 20. It's gonna go hit somewhere around 2750 or 30. I don't know. But in short, we almost got there. We got there. I'm happy. And if you have following me since day first, this is the eighth week of live streaming. So if you were following this entire analysis and the trade setup, hit the like and come on the YouTube comment put and talk about your experience, your trades. Anyways, we are in consistent back-to-back profits by the grace of Almighty, and let's try to keep this profitable momentum. Anyways, one more thing, what's moving the market today? We are gonna get retail sales, and today we are also gonna get what do you call unemployment claims. And I have buys over here, over here, over here. Let me show you. It's like right now, since yesterday I did try to sell this thing, but I stopped because all time high. I say I'm gonna wait. Because I have my buys running on long term. Okay, these were the premium signals that were given over here. You see these premium signals, all these are premium buy signals on gold. And we were all along over here, okay? We took profits. So Again, I'm saying I'm unable to stream live because I was having some problems with my schedule. I could not have time for, because I'm focused on my own work, my clients, a lot of things. I'm too busy, so I can't even live stream. I hardly get time, and if I have time, I'm just sitting in the Discord channel where I usually talking with the guys. And when I'm not there, I'm doing my own work and analysis. And mostly my day goes by doing my own work and answering people in the group 1 and 2 premium. So I was unable to stay. Even I tried to gather the motivation. I asked people in the free Telegram group that you know if I get specific likes, I'll come online, but nobody responded. It's like free Telegram group, people are dead. They're not even interested. Anyways, go watch any guy's stream. People have 700, 800, 1 million subscribers. They don't give a fuck about you. They just come here, open the chart, and waste your time, waste non-stop. I come here, I talk to the point, I give you guys entry and I walk away. I don't even stream 17, 18 hours like them. So when I'm like being really cautious, giving my best quality time, coming here, not wasting your time because we have other things to do, you guys should appreciate it, okay? And try to ask me questions. My biggest, whenever I come, I say, people don't ask me anything. People don't ask me questions. Please ask me something. You don't know what you guys are missing out. Anyways, it's your loss if you don't ask me anything. I'm not even asking you to, do anything. I'm not forcing anybody. I'm just coming here. I've been saying this, and everything is logical. I'm even before this entire elite wave pattern happened. I said this is before that's happening too. Besides elite wave, I have my own trading setups. I'm not just relying on one thing. I'm relying on a lot of things to basically, stay in track of, following the price in short. And by the grace of Almighty and God protect us from the evil and the evil people, we are profitable, okay? And this is my live stream is the track record. I don't need to prove anything to anybody. This is the 8th week. Go watch from the first day of streaming. Everything is live and transparent. If you don't have the means to join the premium group, if you don't have the means to join any any anything, just watch the stream and take your money and walk away. Let's talk about what's gonna happen today. Today retail sales is coming, okay? Retail sales, besides retail sales, we have unemployment claims, and both the data is in a way is basically indicating that there's gonna be, in short, bearish for gold. Gold is gonna be dropped. Why? Because if you go see all the data, you keep up with data. If you move from data to data, right now gold is near all-time high. Gold is near all-time high since last night, and it haven't broken the 2685, which is all-time high. Actually, it did broke all-time high, but just with 20 cents. All-time high previously was, I think, it was something around what do you call, what was it? 2685.58, and now it's 48. Now it's 58. So just by few cents it broke. But in short, the price is rejecting, and if you see on the other hand, silver is rejecting more. Silver, silver is, what do you say, rejecting more than gold. And right now, as the more this level is being rejected, at the same time is trying to break it. I think the chances of breaking above is increasing. But I'll say one thing: today retail sales and unemployment claim is gonna, what I think, the data shows that they're gonna be, what do you say, bearish for gold. It's gonna dump, it's gonna drop down to 2650 or somewhere, and then it's gonna pump, and that pump is gonna break all-time high, and it is gonna enter 2700. Because gold is built like this. Gold is not dropping. Gold is still bullish in long term, okay? We might see that on the news. Just waiting for the news. Before the New York Open is just gonna move sideways. As soon as the news releases, I think it's gonna drop down to 2666, the devil's number range. Just joking. And from there it's gonna bounce off. And if that happens, it's good for gold. We just gonna keep waiting for that to happen. In the meantime, please like and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon and select all to get notifications whenever I go live. Okay. And besides gold, we have other pairs too. We are scalping euro USD. Yeah, let's talk about euro USD. I am bullish on euro USD. A lot of people are saying, oh, you should sell over here. I am bullish. Why? Because dollar index right now is dollar strengthening, is going up. Now a lot of people say, why you are not buying? The reason is that today the last drop we got on earning seasons have begun. You have to understand that when earning seasons begin, during the earning seasons a lot of things happens. Okay, the data is good and bad, and recently the Nvidia data was really bearish. And yeah, and to be honest, the earning season begins, and uh, 2 days ago we saw that when the Nvidia what happened with Nvidia was that America put restrictions on chip sales, and Bitcoin just dropped. This does just dumped down. If I go on to the 4 hour, you can see it just dropped down, and then it did a retrace. Today is Taiwan Semiconductor earnings, and we have to keep an eye on one thing, is that you what do you call that they're gonna also put restrictions on the semiconductor sales, chip sales on Taiwan. Abu. And yeah, the semiconductor sales on Taiwan, they are like this. Sorry about that. Hey, what's up, MG? Welcome to the stream. Would you scalp the retail sales and unemployment? I'm already on a buy. I prepared for it. Uh, I prepared for the buy, but I have my buys running. I'm gonna short it, okay? But I'm not gonna short like a half an hour or an hour before. I'm gonna wait for the data. There can be possibilities. It can either, scenario number one is gonna pump and dump, okay? Scenario number two is gonna dump, pump and dump. Scenario number this is gonna dump and pump. So I'm just waiting. If it pumps, I already have my buys running. If it pumps, okay, I'm gonna wait for the rejection because it will after hitting all-time high. If it hits 2700, I'm gonna not do anything. If it doesn't hit 2700, shows a rejection, I'm gonna enter a sell. But if it dumps, it will. If it drops, not gonna open any sell. I'm gonna wait for the sell momentum to finish. Then I'm gonna enter a buy. I'm gonna enter somewhere around 2640 or 2650, and I did yesterday try to open a sell, which I couldn't, but I have my silver trades running on sell and those are profitable. So silver is dropping, but gold isn't because gold is being a piece of shit. So I'm just waiting for the data. After the data release, I will react. But right now, I have my buys running. I've been taking partial profits and keeping my buy trades running. Those guys who watch me regularly and the guys in the premium group 1 and 2 know what I'm talking about. That when I open trade, I take TP1 and put all the trades on break even and let them run. I take partial profits. So I prepared ahead. So if retail says yes, two things can happen. If I see the retail sale data coming in, bearish for gold, and the gold doesn't drop, like sometimes it happen that the data comes, it's not bullish for gold, it's bearish, but it's like not doing anything. It's like like doing like this small wave. So I'm usually gonna sell. If the data comes out and it's bearish for gold and it doesn't pump for 5 minutes, I'm gonna sell it. But if it pumps and dumps, on the dump I'm gonna sorry, pull back, I'm gonna sell. So I'll be live streaming, so don't worry. I'll be streaming during then. So I'll tell you what guys what to do. Just make sure to hit the bell button, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. So when I and bell and select all, so you get notified whenever I come online. That's the only way to do it. Even right now I want to open a sell, but the thing is that before the data releases, the market tries to take out the liquidity, the sell side liquidity. Right now, buyers and sellers are fighting with each other. It's insane. Any any comment or any remarks made by anybody is gonna affect. As of now, I'm just gonna wait patiently. I have my buys running now. I have my buys running for this entire zone. You see this entire zone over here. It looks like a sell zone, but if you sell and it get stuck over here and it breaks all-time high, you will be a sucker. I did sell over here and I slept it, but I didn't close my trades. I let my run because this is it. I rather take a small loss than take a big loss. I know I'm gonna recover the money. I'm not in any loss. I'm just saying. I'm talking about this range. I'm by the grace of Almighty, I'm profitable. I'm just talking about this range. You see this entire range. Right now, gold is not buyable and not sellable. If you are buying and selling, you are an idiot. Scalping near all-time high is not a nice idea because if you sell over here and you just pump and hit your stop loss, come down, you will be a sucker. Even if you have sell order limit, it's risky. And if it dumps, the only sense it makes is if it drops down, you wait for it and you buy. But even then, you don't know where you're gonna take the profit. I am short, not doing anything in gold. Gold right now is not tradable. There is no setup. But besides gold, there are other trade setups. But I'm gonna share with them if I get like 20 likes. I will share it with you guys. But as for now, if you guys have any questions, please ask me because you guys are not asking me question. I need to go do analysis and ask questions from the premium group one. I'm watching. If you guys have any question, ask me. I'll come when I get free from them. I'm gonna reply them. I'll be right back. Need to answer some questions. Hold on a second. Yeah, guys. So as I was saying, no questions. Azaj, this is okay, brother. Okay. Seems like nobody asked me questions. Anyways, gold looks like gold is stuck in this range till we get the news. We are gonna be in a sideways range. Let's see the Asian and the London session. This is Asia Open, Tokyo Open. Sorry, Tokyo opened around 2675 and it went up to this is Tokyo high and also the no just Tokyo high 2685 almost, and now it's going down. Tokyo just closed now and it's making a low. London low somewhere. I'm not selling this thing because this is a range and I don't know. The pullbacks are really see the pullback drop down and now the pullback. This is why I'm not selling. And this is you can buy. No, I'm not even selling and buying. This thing is like you open a trade and it goes the other way. It's highly volatile right now. It's near all-time high. Selling it is a risk. It will hit your stop loss. Buying is also a risk. So do nothing over here on gold. Join the Telegram group to stay updated. Pro Wolf Trader Batch 3 is starting from 1st November. Okay, last day of registration is 31st October. I'm not gonna accept any more students. I have 10 students now and 10 seats are left. If you are unable to get, so you so this is why I'm not gonna accept any more students. Just 10 seats left for the Pro Wolf Trader Batch third. So book it before it's too late. The fees and details are in the Telegram group. Message me over there or you can see it. It's tagged. And premium subscription is available. Monthly is $100. You're getting besides signal, you're getting account management, what you say, trade management, risk management, access to Discord server where we have trading floors where we sit down every day, trade and talk about trading strategy. And when I'm not streaming, I'm over there. So if you have any question, you can ask me. And account management is also available. I take 5 accounts per week. Currently, I have 1 account for this week. In total, I'm managing 12 accounts. By far, I have managed more than 24 accounts. Right now, I have 11 accounts. I mean, from this YouTube. Besides that, I have my own clients. I have my own account. And yeah, if you wanna do copy trading is starting soon on Monday on XNS broker. And if you are in Europe and UK, I'm gonna tell another broker besides this. Copy trading is available on crypto, and crypto is making a lot move today. Semiconductor earnings are gonna be out. I mean, Thailand semiconductor, and that thing's gonna drop the stock market. And if the stock market drops, crypto is gonna drop. So those guys who are following me on crypto broker or copy trading, they're gonna make tons of money. Okay. Besides that, I'm making a separate page for crypto. Okay, so anybody who's interested can join it. I'll share the link in the free Telegram group because crypto is too much. Coming back to today's retail sales and unemployment claims, we're gonna stick to. Anyways, give me 5 minutes. I'll be right back. I need to go grab coffee, so I'll be right back. Give me just 5 minutes. I'll be right back. Yeah, as I said that Tokyo just closed right now and is dropping, but I'm not gonna sell this drop because today is high impact news. I don't know what's gonna happen. I can try selling it, but it would be really risky because we are near all-time high. It can just bounce off. So I just waiting for the news. I have my buy running, so I'm safe side. Even if it drops, I let it drop, and once it stop dropping, I'm gonna buy then. I made up my mind I'm gonna buy, so I'm gonna buy only. Although this sell looks tempting, I don't know, but if it's near all-time high, I'm really, really holding myself not to sell because selling would here would be a rookie mistake. I did try to sell over here. You need to be lucky. Over here, we only have luck because if it rejects all-time high, you're just lucky. One hell of a lucky guy, and take your TPs over here. I did try it over here, but so I don't believe in luck. I believe in actual data and everything. So I'm gonna wait for the data, then I'm gonna decide. But right now my buys are running and I'm in profits. So yeah, how do I interpret data? Years of experience and reading books and studying and paying thousands of dollars for courses, attending seminars and learning from actual guys who know how to trade, actual guys who trade in Wall Street, not on some trading. Some guy from India is watching his trading guru videos, not those fucking scammers, and not from Nairobi, Jamaica, following any signals. No, I'm actually with actual traders from everywhere around the world. Spend time with them. It's like this is like professional trading. I was in a professional, surrounded by professional in short. Their experience and I read a lot of books and a lot of other stuff too over this 5, 6, 7 years of my journey. 6, 7 years of my journey. You might see the stream, you might see the profits and say, oh, he's hell of a lucky guy. No, it took a lot to come till here. You see the destination, you don't see the journey. Anyways, I'm gonna grab something for to eat. You guys are not asking me any questions. If I had fucking lots of thousands of subscribers, I bet everybody would be spamming non-stop on chat. But yeah, it is what it is. This is why, the people, waste your time on nonsense things rather than things which are actually important. Because I speak the truth. I speak bitter things. That's why people don't watch my streams. They run away. Everybody wanna be happy, right? Everybody wanna be kept in an illusion that everything's gonna be fine. Everything's not gonna be fine unless you make it all right. Wake the fuck up. Wake the fuck up. Come out of your fucking comfort zone. Wake the fuck up. Yeah, so I'm back after a long break. Sorry for the disruption. There's always something happening in life. Anyways, as I said that I won't be selling, the reason was this pullback up. As you can clearly see, now we are just, you know, there's gonna be sideway range. It's just gonna be a goddamn sideway range till the news comes out. And my bet is that the when the data is gonna be out, it's gonna push gold down. But I don't know. It's going to be a pump and dump or a dump and pump, but I don't know. That's how it is. If you have any questions, you can ask me. In the meanwhile, yeah, if you yeah, make sure if you subscribe, hit the bell icon. Otherwise, you won't get any notification when if I come live stream. Come on, guys, 7 people are watching. 4 likes only. One thing, after a long time, my stream is back on track. Actually, I was quite thinking what's the reason that my stream is not popping up. There were no viewers. I was like, what the fuck is going on? Anyways, I'll try to bring quality content. Let's go back. Anybody who's joining right now who don't know what's happening. Currently, we are on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave. Okay, this is the third wave. Okay, and currently, if we don't, we are right now in a consolidation range. If this consolidation range breaks, it breaks upwards the all-time high, which is 2685.58 cent. If it breaks above it, then we have to wait for a rejections or most possibly a price breaking above 2700, making a new all-time high. Then we will wait that it's either going to make a rejection or it's going to continue the upward momentum. Given that this is the third wave, if it breaks 2700, we are looking forward to 27,010 or 8, I don't know, and we might see a retracement back till 2780 or 2740, 2680 or 2670, and after that it will be the completion of the what do you say the fourth wave, and then the fifth wave will be the upward momentum towards the 2800, and all that depends upon data dependent. Just like Fed is moving from data to data and Fed is data dependent, we are also going to be data dependent. We are not going to be shooting blanks in the darkness. We're going to be following the price, and the only way to follow the price is to know what's happening on a daily candle, on a 4 hour candle, and on a 1 hour candle. We'll use 1 hour for the direction, and we'll use 5 minutes for the entry. Currently we are on a buy from 2605 in short. If you want to see, I don't know why a lot of people weren't watching my live streams, whereas I was giving free signals on live stream, but people, they just want to get food. Anyway, so I focused on premium then, because guys weren't even focusing on. I don't know what the hell these guys were smoking in the who are like subscribed but don't even follow the signal. Look at this. If you guys are not gonna take free signals, you're gonna take it for granted, then you are a fool. Anyways, all these were taken during the live stream, and after when I'm not live streaming, which I couldn't, because for the past 1 week I'm unable to live stream because of a lot of disturbance and disruption. Even right now I couldn't. You guys are messaging me right now, sorry for the disruption, but it's not under my control. Anyways, right now we are just seeing a sideway range. This sideway range is gonna carry on until the data comes. We have two data: retail sales and unemployment. I'll be here live streaming 2 hours in the New York session too. Like a stream, guys. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon. Only 4 likes. Come on, guys. You are good. More than 60 people watch the stream and only 4 likes. Why? What's happening? Come on, guys. Have a big heart. Before I move on, I did the technical analysis, and yeah, what's happening? You can join the premium membership. Okay, it's $100 per month. You can if you should have minimum $500 minimum $500. If you do have less than 500, I advise you not to join the premium. Otherwise, you'll be wasting your time. Okay. If you do join it, God help you and stay consistent with the profit. Really hard. Anything below that is really hard. And if you don't have time to take the signals, you can give your account for management. I take 5 accounts per week. I have one account this week. In total I'm managing 11 accounts. By far I have managed 25 accounts, all back to back profits. Okay. And what do you say, in overall there were just 2 accounts which was mismanaged, but they are managed now. So everything is transparent. And there were accounts that I mostly, if you have a account like $100,000 or 1100, I have boosted the account to 7,000 or even to what do you say, 27 25 to 30K, $30,000 in about a week or two. And that happens with consistent profits, and you have to be disciplined and patient. I'm saying again, trading is a professional field. Okay, don't be unrealistic. Don't try to make fucking $50, $100 into 300, 200K. You can if you follow this signal, but if you try on, it's really hard. You have to wait here for the entry. Sometimes it shoot backs. You have to have a trade setup. You have need to have discipline, and above all, you need to understand how the market works, how the market moves. And currently, you should know what's the current trend of the market. Market is bullish right now. What's moving the market is earnings season has started. Earnings season start after the first half of the month. And when the earnings season starts, usually the earnings season is driving the crypto market. You seeing Nvidia restrictions on chipset is making Nvidia stock sell, and that's basically Nvidia is a AAA company. That's why the AAA stock is falling down, and along with that the stock market is falling. And of course the stock market is falling, the crypto market is gonna fall. This is why you saw a dump and a pump on crypto last week. But today is semiconductor Thailand Vietnam, Thailand, whatever the fuck is semiconductor chip earnings, and soon you're gonna see some restriction. If they put restrictions, you're gonna see. In short, the stock market is gonna drop as hell. Everybody know, all the OG traders know this, so we are prepared for it. If stock market drops, I'm trading on crypto on the side besides it, and there are people in the crypto. If you wanna join the crypto group, message me. I will send you a link. Okay, I have a special place for crypto. Yes, I have special criteria requirements for the crypto. Even if you wanna join the crypto, okay. Anyways, message me on Telegram at the rate Pro Trader. Don't text anybody else. There are a lot of people who are trying to impersonate you. And first of all, I will never message you or ask you for any money. So don't be stupid, okay? A lot of people got scammed. They say I messaged them and they showed me message. There are some other people with my account impersonating me, asking money. I'll never do that. Those guys send the money to them. They got scammed. Please be careful. The scammers are fucking retard. They're stupid. They're a piece of shit. Stay away from them and try to use your head and be realistic. Okay. If you have any question, ask me. In the meanwhile, I'll be answering the questions in the group 1 and 2. Okay, guys, wake up, be active. Come on, guys. It's been 1 hour 24 minutes, and you guys already gave up. Come on, be active. You're gonna be back here. I'm gonna be back here in the New York session too. Right now, if you're scalping under this range, God help you. I'm not even gonna do anything. I am a long running. I did try to short, but I'm gonna wait for a drop and then back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Bro, do you suggest another book? Go read those book again. Read those book again. You think you're gonna read it one time is gonna be enough? I have read those book more than 100 times. Go read it again, then again and again, till you memorize those things. You're not in a competition or a race that I'm gonna finish reading 50 books. Understand those things, practically apply them, then move on to the next. Don't be a typical Indian Pakistani mind, like memorize everything. Try to understand it. Logic. This is why the European education is far better than. Oh, why are scientists not inventing anything? And why? Because you guys focus on memorizing instead of innovating and try to be creative and see the things. Why is not any Indian or Pakistani not winning any Nobel prize in any field? Hmm? Asian countries. Why? You guys have internet, everything. There was a guy in Canada or somewhere. He didn't even knew what the hell was a there was a neuron something. He made a generator of it just by asking ChatGPT or some other how to make it. And yet here you guys are mostly youth I have seen wasting their time on stupid as online games, playing PUBG and this. Go read a book, learn how to do coding, start earning money, start it early. If you go see, one thing I like about America is that kids over there know how to hustle. 12-year-old, 13-year-old, they're going and hustling Pokemon cards or Air Jordans or baseball bats, making money, hustling. Online store, they're doing majority of them. What are guys over here doing? Nothing. Going to university, then coming out of university and doing a shit ass internship that pays shit money. You're never gonna fucking escape the matrix like this. Were there any universities 100 years ago? No, people used to do business but have education, acquire education. Nowadays, universities are just places to fucking suck money out of you and give you a degree so you can go in the world and find a job. Be a corporate slave. Two things gonna happen. You're either gonna have your own business or you're gonna be a corporate slave for somebody else for the rest of your life. It doesn't matter if you work in a hospital or a court or a company. If you can work all your life in a company, at least trying working 2-3 years on yourself. But guess what? You guys won't have the motivation. Give up. If you guys are afraid of failure, you will never know what success is. I have to come here and motivate you guys all the time. You guys should understand that when you have decided to do something, you don't need motivation. You need to complete that thing. It doesn't matter how you feel. You are a man. Your job is to fucking put money on the table. Doesn't matter you're feeling happy or sad or you're crying or you are a man. Fucking wear your big boy's pant and get the job done. Nobody will don't have that fucking Bollywood Indian fucking movie soundtracks that my life is sad and nobody cares. Nobody gives a fuck about you. You're a man. Doesn't matter you're from India, Pakistan, China, Thailand or America, Canada, Africa. You're a man. Nobody gives a fuck about you. You have to do everything by yourself. Nobody will care about you unless you become rich. That's the harsh reality. Nobody will tell you. The world is not like 30-40 years ago. This world is all about money. If you don't have money, everybody will treat you like shit. If you have money, everybody will treat like good, but you don't give a fuck. You requiring money for yourself. So retire yourself, your parents, and have a luxury life. Getting rich 30-40 years ago was really hard. You have to work all your life, save money, then invest. Now you have crypto, you have business venture, you have online business. Getting rich is easy, but you have to fucking wake the fuck up. Stop being fucking lazy and stop being fucking sitting at home. Do something. Establish your business. Even if you work online from home, it's okay. Do it, but stop wasting your time. Watch the movies in the night, play games in the night, reward yourself, but don't reward yourself without any hard work. If you are doing work, then reward yourself at the end of the day.